It's Memorial Day weekend, and that means a fishing tournament, and we are out here in, not telling you, we are participating in a bass fishing tournament and a pike fishing tournament. Biggest weight wins. Pretty simple, and starts at 7, goes to noon, and let's do this. We're fishing with Trapper Jeff, the best trapper in the whole world, and I'll leave a link to all of his trapping business in the description below in case you guys need any nuisance trapping done, and we'll catch you later. Let's do this. Swim right towards the boat. I haven't seen him yet. Another 2-pounder, I think. Yeah, I'd go. Okay, I got one. Hey! go. He got it. He got it. He's got one. Yeah. Oh, we dropped it. Oh. Got him. Fish. I got a fish. Got him. Check my worm. That's a worm. Oh, pound it. Bad.
Daddy 2x4.
71. Wait. This is the winner, by the way, on the bass side.
That's a hog.
6.
Only two.
1 ounce. Only 2 weights in it.
Thing don't move weight.
Holy
That's a jumbo.
Nice
Nice job, Hammer.
With his 6-pound, 1 ounce biggest fish, I think, in the tournament since I've been doing it.
You're taking a picture of it.
And then second and third place, Ray Lampier.
Right here.
Oh, there he is. Nice job, Ray. Ray had 4.2 and a 3.14, so Ray's getting 2.20.
Let's go.